Hey everyone, I'm Lizzie with Apple Seeds, and today we're gonna make our zesty radish pickles. So they're like not quite spicy, but like almost like a cool spicy, sort of like black pepper. And they're really, really satisfying. I think you're gonna love them. I don't have any radishes, but that's no big deal. Let's go out to the garden and harvest some. Radishes are what's known as a root vegetable, sort of like potatoes or beets or even an onion. So the root of the radish acts as sort of a straw to suck up all the water and nutrients from the soil that it needs to grow. A lot of people think that you can only eat this root part here, but you can actually eat the whole thing, the greens, the stems, and all. So now I think we've got enough radishes, so let's go ahead and head back inside. So for any basic pickle recipe, you need the same simple ingredients. You need cool water, vinegar, honey, and salt. And then for ours, we're gonna be adding some extra seasoning, so we're gonna use some fresh dill, some garlic, and some black pepper to give it kind of that traditional pickle taste. Before we do anything else, make sure you have an adult's permission to be using sharp implements like this knife. Radishes are soft enough that at home you could probably use a butter knife if you're not comfortable with using something this sharp. But now, let's get to pickling. So when we're cutting our radish, we want to make sure that we're using our claw and holding our knife properly, and we're just going to cut off this stem, set it aside, cut off the green bit, and then we're going to set it down flat so that the flat side is down, and we're just going to cut it in half and then cut it in half again so it's these little chunks. And if you're feeling like you have mastered your knife skills, you can also slice it nice and thin, and the thin slices will pickle faster, but I recommend the chunks. And so now, I'm just gonna move these over. Make sure that you're using a really clean jar and one that has a tight fitting lid. So we're just gonna add all of our ingredients in now. So I'm gonna start with the vinegar. And then the water. Add our garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm gonna put a lot in. And then our honey. Kind of cut the bitterness or the spiciness of the radish a little bit. Our spices, and then a nice big chunk of dill. Just gonna throw that on there. Now, to shake. Whew, okay, I think that's shaken up enough. Now we're going to stick it in the fridge to start pickling. Definitely leave it in for at least 12 hours, but we like to leave ours in for a few days because the longer you leave it, the stronger the flavor will get. Well, now let's give our radish pickles a try. It's got a really nice crunch and it totally satisfies that pickle craving. And if you're feeling adventurous, next time you want to eat your favorite veggie, try pickling it. And you can even pickle food scraps like beet or chard stems. If you make this at home, be sure to tag us on Instagram or Facebook, and see you next time.
If you enjoyed this video, you should subscribe to Apple Seeds on YouTube for more recipes and fun on the farm.